So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys HP DeskJet type this, okay, model number. So you can see detected operating system Windows 11, so that is right. I am using Windows 11. Okay, so if you download for the different OS, so you can choose, and if not get detect, so you can, which is required, you just click like that Windows 10 and click to update. It will show automatically. Okay, and this is HP Smart. This is also driver and software both included, and this is required to internet. So guys, this is basic driver and full with the software, okay, with scanner also. So this is offline use only, and you can see the size. Okay, and this is a firmware. Okay, if you have to update, you just click to download. Okay, so for this driver, you just click to download. So this is the firmware. So if you have to update, so just click to download. Okay, and this is driver, offline driver, and click to download. After completed, just single click to setup. Then wait few seconds. This is extracting. Click to continue. So do you want to help to the software better, and then you can click if you know about your printer IP, so you can search by IP. Okay, otherwise continue. So this is simple, just click to find out the IP address and type, and then click to search. If it is not getting, so click continue. So if your printer connect to Wi-Fi, by LAN to your switch and router, and otherwise you can connect to USB, so just click USB, and when you connect a cable, USB cable to printer and laptop, so it will detect the next to install. After completed, restart your system and printer also. Thank you.